germination rate is horrible. It's the time of the year, brother. It's just the time of the year. We're getting into spring right now, and it could be the soil, it could be your seeds. Maybe just because you didn't get the seeds from us. Try it indoors. If you're in a cold space and you're saying that your germination rate is really low, yeah, you can try it indoors. You could also try peeling that shell off and just putting the seed in a paper bag or in a plastic bag with a little bit of wet napkin inside there. See if that works. They like it in a dark space. It's got to have, still it needs to have a little, really good airflow. So that way you don't get any bugs or fungus or bacteria forming there in the soil and underneath the soil. It's mostly just the time of year. I mean, we just got out of the winter season here and I was down to maybe 30% germination rate. But even just in the last week or 2 weeks, we're back up to 50%, 60%. And I'm betting that these right here, this is going to be up to about a 70 or 80%. And then probably within the next 4 to 6 weeks, we're going to be at a 95% germination rate. It's going to be great. So not to worry, just keep sticking with it. Get some more seeds. It could be where your seeds are from. But yeah, we're just getting this going. That's good. You're at about 10% right now. Well, where are you? Are you in the U.S. or you in an area that's cold? Because if it's below 60 degrees, even outside, they know. How are they gonna know? They know. Like they know. SoCal? Okay, cool. You're in South Cali? Awesome. We just have a guy right here on our YouTube that's in Sacramento right now. And they should be doing great. You should be doing really, really great. If it's getting down to 50, yeah, you're in the desert a little bit. So it does get down pretty cold, but they do know. And I think we're right at that shift right now with this last moon cycle, the way that we had, the sun's come back, the days are getting longer. Did I already plant the seed in there? Oh, I already did plant the seed in there. Okay, I gotta focus right here. But yeah, be patient, and they're gonna be sprouting a lot more easily in the next couple days to the next 2 to 4 weeks, given your area. We're in about very similar area. It's a little bit more tropical here. It's a little bit more wet in the air. Although right now, this time of year, we don't really have that much humidity. At this time, say in the next 4 to 6 weeks, maybe even 8 weeks, it's March, April, May. Yeah, by May, it's just gonna be super hot right now. My shirt will be drenched, soaked, just because we're in the tropics, we're in the swamp. And Moringa love it hot and dry. So not to worry, you'll get some seeds planted, and then join the co-op. And then you can join the co-op when you get a bunch of greens and you get a bunch of seeds, and you can provide the co-op back with material. Then that would really be great. Awesome. We got